Today you're witnessing one of this is a very wonderful occasion where we are doing a groundbreaking ceremony for the new collection center that will be based here at Vatumali, Navosa. I really took time out. I had to cancel some of my other engagements to come up here and officiate this, because this has been all along in the plans for development in the rural areas. The farmers' concern up in the highlands here, especially in Navosa, is where do they take their produce to? The accessibility to the markets. And we all know the distances from here to Singatoka. It's quite a distance, and the terrain is not that conducive to transport such their produces. But this collection center has really, provided an answer to that. The collection center's main purpose is to buy all the produce from the farmers in this area, and then the collection center management will then find the market for this. They've taken that upon themselves. Okay, this is done. And another good thing about this is we see partnership between non-governmental organization, the people, and the government. This is we are witnessing that. Actually, the ADRA, I extend my sincere gratitude and appreciation to ADRA management. ADRA is we all know is the NGO who's behind all this. Now, ADRA is building this collection center, and then their project will end next year, 2016, and they were looking for a partner, to take this on board and continue with the operation. But then the Provincial Council of Nandronga Navosa came up to partner with them in this. And as we heard today, also in the Provincial Council Nandronga Navosa, they were also wanting to get this done. It's been in their plans all along, but they could not start anywhere. But then ADRA provided the answer, and they came up, and now they're in partnership with ADRA and with government, the land and all this. And the government has also bigger plans for Vatumali area. It's now a growth center, and in the future, government is also willing to fund this place to grow into a township. If you're talking about those plans, the collection center is really a way to go for the area of Navosa. I was telling the people in the shed that I took my officials, Western officials, down to Agro Marketing Authority to see some of the other best practices in some of the areas in the Central Division. To open up their mind and see how best they can use those concepts here. But now we have agro marketing there who's willing to come up and take the produce from this collection center. You see, we are linking the markets. We are linking the markets right down to local and into the region and internationally. The people of Navosa, that has been the concern. And they've resorted, the youths, they've resorted to some other illegal activities because no one was meeting what they really wanted. And of course, this should provide the answer to that. Now, the only thing now is the government officials, are agricultural, Ministry of Agriculture, the extension officers, land use, rural development, health, education, finance. We should now all come together and support this. It's all for a good cause. And we are painting a picture of prosperity for the people. And when we paint that picture, we need to make it happen. And I'm urging the officials and the people to stay focused. Stay focused on this, assist one another, support one another, so that we make this grow. When we make this grow, it's all for the betterment of the people here in Navosa. I believe that's the whole purpose of this collection center. But it's been a work that was done from initiated and started in 2013. Now it's 2 years down the line, the third year, they should be handing over to the business arm of Navosa Provincial Council. And that's, this concept too is the first of its kind to happen, whereby you see that partnership, government, NGO, and the people. And I would like to see this concept happening across the Western Division, because it will really bring prosperity to the people.